Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through major talking points and features of both interior and exterior. And of course, being that we're walking around a 440i M Sport convertible, of course I will also start the car up, allow you to have a listen to that superb twin turbo engine. Also put the roof up and show you what the vehicle looks like with both the roof up and down. The exterior of the vehicle is presented in the Glacier Silver Metallic. We fitted the vehicle with the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, and we've also had the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels fully refurbished in the original Bi-Orbit grey. Onto the front, where you'll see it is a 2017 67 reg, also benefits from the lovely facelift, so the facelifted headlights there, the LED angel eye and LED projectors. Down the side, we've got the gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. This vehicle features a wide array of optional extras, one of the big ones being the Comfort Access Pack, which I'm going to demonstrate to yourselves now. So I've got the key here in my hand, as you can see there, but I can just simply walk up to the vehicle and it'll unlock very easily for me, save me having to click any buttons. Very useful if you're carrying heavy shopping bags or if you just have the key in your pocket. Moving on to the interior, where you see we've got the very nice black Dakota leather, and this vehicle also comes equipped with the convertible comfort package consisting of the air collar, the heated front seats and the heated M Sport steering wheel. You'll also see there we've got the electric movement and memory seats, along with the very nice aluminum hexagon and Estrel blue trim. The rear seats for the 4 Series convertible, you'll find an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, a central folding armrest and the central storage tray and drinks holder. And if we collapse the rear seats down, behind here you'll find the wind deflector option as well, which is designed to clip into place to eliminate some of the wind turbulence that can of course sometimes be experienced when travelling at higher speeds with the roof down. Moving round towards the rear section of the car, again showing you off those lovely refurbished alloy wheels. At the rear, again as part of the facelift, they facelifted the rear lights to a much more aggressive LED style rear light. We've also added the satin rear diffuser and the high gloss black rear boot spoiler, and I'll open up that tailgate, which again on some convertibles can often be a compromised area. However, luckily BMW think of everything, providing you with this little rocker switch which allows you to partly lift the boot / roof out of the storage tray to give you access to the full luggage capacity, which again I'll show you just in a second. Once that's all folded out, you lift the luggage tray open and there you can see just how much of a large space that really is, heading all the way back to the rear of the seats. Although it's a little bit dark, so you might not be able to see that, it is a tremendously large space and it is one of the largest in the hardtop convertible class. Folding that back down, everything will neatly fold away. Another nice feature on the rear of this 440i convertible is the rear facing reversing camera, which again I'll show you a little display of very shortly. Onto the other side, where you'll see just again how nicely presented this vehicle does come. The Glacier Silver is definitely a very nice colour and suits the 4 Series very well, and everything nice, clean and tidy on this vehicle. Moving on, we'll go ahead and of course start the car up and run you through some more of the features and functions once we're sat inside. Again, this vehicle's had some very nice additions made in the form of coding them in. So when you enter the vehicle, it does come up with the Mperformance signature logo into the dials. And also when we start the car up, you'll also get a display of the M logo onto the professional wide navigation and media screen. Which again, this is not the ordinary professional wide, it is the professional plus, so it does of course mean it is the touchscreen, which as you can see there, we can swipe effortlessly between the screens. However, if you're not a fan of touchscreens, fear not, as down here we've still got the iDrive wheel as well. However, we'll run through a couple of the features and functions of this lovely screen, again just allowing a little bit more time for the engine to warm up before giving you a sound demonstration. We've got Connected Drive Plus, giving us access to online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google and utilising the vehicle's own onboard 4G network. A very nice sophisticated navigation system utilising real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. In terms of your communication, you of course get Bluetooth audio and telephone, again as you can now see. And in terms of your multimedia, you get an absolute ton of multimedia inputs on the professional wide. We've got DAB, music collection, CD, DVD, and of course your USB and AUX inputs. And of course we'll just click over and take a look at the service status and service requirements, which again for this vehicle does come with full BMW service history and is not due a service for 15,000 miles. And as you can see there, it does have full BMW service history. That is owing to the fact that this vehicle's only covered the low mileage of 25,329 miles. Also has the lane departure warning and the brake mitigation warning system as well, so it can alert you to oncoming vehicles, along with giving you brake assistance should the vehicle deem that there has been no action taken by the driver, along with of course alerting you should you stray out of lane without indicating. As part of that convertible comfort package, we've got the air collar, which I mentioned, along with that superb heated M Sport steering wheel. And of course, we will now go on, put the vehicle into sport, so we get the benefit of that full exhaust system opening up both sides, and give you a little sound demonstration of that superb engine. Okay, so I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around video. As always, you'll find all of the relevant contact information and website links down below. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them into the comment section as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Most of all though guys, we really do hope to see yourselves very, very soon. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.